Just received this very interestingly packed box from Dubai. Been waiting for this for over a week. Handle with care. Look at this packaging job. And it's a helicopter that was ordered from a friend of the famous, probably world famous, RC helicopter champ named Tareq Alsaadi from United Arab Emirates. The world famous RC helicopter 3D champ. So I asked if he knew Tareq, if he could ask Tareq to sign the canopy for me, and he said that he would. So I'm excited to open this up and see what that looks like. Oh, here we go. Ooh, look at that. Look at that gorgeous blue color. I'm gonna take it over here. Just a little bit of dimpling where the tail rotor has been added in the past. See my buddy Cooper here helping me out. You excited like I am? Oh, that's what he's excited about. We got some carbon fiber tail rotors. Very exciting. Got some carbon fiber skids. Those are meant to break away in the event of a hard landing because they're much less expensive to replace than the carbon fiber body. Of course, we have a carbon fiber battery holder. This thing is actually built to be able to take 12S, not just 6S, but two 6S batteries wired in series. Alright, there's our first blade. Alright, let's get this canopy open. This is actually the exciting part. And after I bought this, I said, do you know Tareq Alsaadi? You know, he's like one of the world's greatest RC 3D technical precision flying pilots. He said, yes, he's a friend of mine. In fact, I just talked with him today. And I said, oh my gosh. You have to tell him that Endo says hello. And actually, would you mind asking him to sign this canopy for me? So, I was kind of joking, but the next day, Abbas sent me an email to say that Tareq said, of course I'll sign your canopy. No problem. Okay. Ooh, yes. Look at that. Alsaadi 2019. That is so freaking awesome. I can't even believe it. Oh my goodness, look at this beauty. So this has a Gaui Vbar in it. I'm familiar with Vbar. I've got it on a Goblin 380, a Goblin 420. But because I'm sort of a beginner, and this is way, way, way above my skill level, or at least the performance of this thing is way above my skill level, I've actually got a couple of flybarless controllers in the mail arriving soon that are going to include a rescue feature, or kind of a return to home feature. So I plan to take out this Gaui Vbar here and set them up with a sophisticated rescue or help or return to home feature to kind of help protect this thing. Now that I've got this amazing signed canopy, I'm also thinking I should consider getting a second one just to keep it safe. But this is actually a Canamod canopy, so this is $100 extra, and it includes a carbon fiberglass, and automotive paint upgraded canopy. Thank you, Tareq, and thank you, Abbas. Amazing. Here is the Gaui Vbar. I think it's just like a Mikado Vbar, but it's just a mini edition. So, I mean, he may have this set up so that it's ready to go, but I will probably swap it out for an MSH Brain or an Icon 2 or a Skookum 720 Black or even possibly a Spirit. I'm in negotiations with a guy to get a Spirit flybarless controller. So we'll test those different ones out on this and give some feedback videos. It's got some professional grade Savox brushless, not coreless, but brushless servos. Supposedly coreless servos are the new thing, and they speed up more quickly, they accelerate more quickly than brushless do. But brushless servos are super powerful. So if you want to do speed flight, these are good because they won't jitter at speed. Got the 1100 kilovolt Scorpion. That's a 6S motor. So if we're going to try to run this at 12S, we'll have to get a lower kilovolt motor so that it doesn't just smoke. But yeah, this thing's amazing. Absolutely amazing. It's also got a Castle BEC voltage regulator under there, so we don't lose any power or brownouts during 3D maneuvers. It's got the upgraded Gates belt. And I believe this is a 120 amp Castle ESC with an EC5 connector on it. So massive, massive energy requirements for this thing. Yeah, that's the Castle 120 Phoenix. Nice. Well, that's it for now. Let me get this thing put together and I will update the video. Number one, with an explanation of how I told my wife about this massive purchase, of which she's unfortunately still in the dark. And number two, I'll explain what I'm going to do to get this thing flying in a way that I feel safe controlling it with my amateur position as a radio control flyer. I have a lot of experience with radio control. Grew up doing radio control, mostly cars, but some minor airplane experience. And in the last 6 months since I got my first mini helicopter, I would say I have flown hundreds of hours in the simulator. So I've got all my controlling orientations down. I'm not an expert at inverted flight, but I feel safe with my ability to control a machine of this size, as long as it is set up for a beginner. I don't want it to respond too quickly to the controls, and I want a rescue feature on the flybarless controller if possible, just to protect myself and the device and those around me. What do you think, Cooper? You excited about this? He's excited about the box. Hey, buddy. What do you think?